Good evening, guys. So it's been so heart wrenching since yesterday when I have been flipping through the newspaper or scrolling through my phone, reading the heart wrenching news of the two gruesome rape cases which happened recently. One was from Hathras and other one was from Balrampur, both in the state of UP. But what is more hurtful is that there was so much outrage for the Hathras rape case, which should be there because it was gruesome, and I think it even for me it comes under rarest of the rare case, but that is up to the court to decide. But yeah, but then when the other Balrampur rape case was there was no outrage. Just some of them, some of the so-called intellectuals or so-called journalists of the left wing, they have just uploaded a small cutting. So what I want to discuss is, first point, why do rapes occur? Secondly, are we right in politicizing rape? And thirdly, what can be done? Firstly, why do rapes occur? Rape, section 375 IPC defines rape. A man is said to commit rape if, and there are clauses, and if that your section fits under any of the clauses, it's a rape. So rapes happen, there are punishments for rape. After Nirbhaya case, there was 2013 Justice Verma committee, and there were the reforms were made, more stringent punishments were there, and then the Nirbhaya rapists, they were hanged. Still rapes happen. So rapes do not happen because there is dearth of punishment, or our law is easygoing, or the government is easygoing. The rapes happen because we lack respect for women as a society. I have seen, like, women are always treated as the weaker sex. See, I am wearing this t-shirt of Wonder Woman, and I feel that it is so there is so much of hypocrisy in this t-shirt, because today women are left like that, even though there are so many laws favoring them, but the implementation is very low. And also the moral values what we inculcate in the boys, that needs to change from the grassroots level. They should know how to respect women as a friend, as a girlfriend, as their wives, as sister, as sisters, and also as their mothers. But we don't do that. We never teach them anything. We just try and move on with these cases. We, whenever a rape case comes, we post on Instagram, we go for candle marches, but do we really teach our boys how to behave with girls at grassroots level? No, we don't. We should do that first. So this is why rapes happen, because we give boys the freedom to do anything they want, and whereas we try to clip the wings of the girls whenever they try and go out or do anything. Because for us, girls invite rape, not for I'm not saying for everyone, but as a society I'm talking about. Now secondly, is it correct to politicize rape? Well, if you are politicizing rape and playing dirty politics, blaming Yogi government, or doing this upper caste, lower caste, Hindu, Muslim, I mean, this is sick. I read so many cuttings from the media itself. Media houses are sick. They are writing a Dalit girl has been raped by upper class Hindu men. Also there are cuttings like agar gaay mari hoti to aag laga dete and all that. So why is this anti-Hindu, anti-religious propaganda going on? Like, why? Will all this propaganda bring justice to the victim? Do you really think that? No, it would not. And stop preaching what you don't actually practice. There are so many boys, just because to appease their political propaganda, they are writing shit, they are posting shit that we should respect men, we should respect women, Yogi government resign. What are you doing to stop rape? You yourself are disrespecting girls. You yourself date 3 girls at a time. You yourself call the girl who refuses to sleep with you a slut, and then you check out girls just because they wear skimpy clothes, and then you question Yogi government. So silly and such a hypocrite. I have never seen such hypocrites in my life. And thirdly, what can be done? Well, I am in no position to tell you what can be done, but this is the least we can all do, is teach our kids or the younger generation which is there to be more respectful towards women, to be have this humanity, their humanity intact. Because I don't know how can people be so brutal with each other that I can't even describe what happened to those victims. It's in, I have no words to say that, and I am in no position to say that. So, yes, teach them when they go to school, when they make their first friend who is a girl, teach them to be good to her, teach them to be more respectable, to have some respect for her. Teach them that then and there, and then only they'll grow up to be good men, not those men who just to appease their political agendas, they are posting shit and they actually don't follow any of that. So we can't control rapes like that. So that is what all what I want to say, and I hope we all, the justice is served to both the victims and the accused are hanged. I think that's the only punishment they deserve, and there is no clemency which should be provided to them. Thank you.